Hi, Les Bob from ZIQI Compressor. We are a professional air compressor manufacturer over 15 years. Today, I'm glad to introduce one set two-stage screw air compressor for you. Here is the 30 kW screw air compressor. It's two-stage. It's most energy saving and higher efficiency. And you can see here is an intelligent touch screen with big size. It's very convenient to monitor the whole air compressor machine. Okay, now let me open the air compressor cabinet to see inside of the air compressor machine. Okay, let me our colleague to open it. Okay, you can see here is a pre-fitted screen to remove the dust from the environment, and is very inconvenient to maintain and replace the about the screen. It can extend the using life of the air compressor machine. Okay, our colleague to open the door. Let me see the inside of the air compressor. Here is the motor, the Brazilian WEG brand, the second biggest motor manufacturer in the world. And IP55 protection, Class 5 insulation, Class B temperature rise, suitable for any harsh environment, and with high E4 efficient standard. It's most energy saving and durable. It's with a shock pad to reduce the noises, a small vibration for the whole air compressor machine. And you can see here is the screw element is directly driving with a motor with a higher efficiency, 1-to-1 efficiency to drive the screw element. The two-stage screw element with higher efficiency. You can see here is low pressure screw element and higher pressure screw element. It changes the compression ratio to realize the energy saving, and the warranty is over 5 years. It's working with very low failure rate. And here is the central figure fan. It's working with lower noises and biggest ability to cord to realize the air compressor can work for a long time in a day. And here is all your feature. Okay, here is a take valve with higher efficient standard to adjust the air and in and out. You can see here is the oil tuber, Italian Manulife brand. It's a leader tuber manufacturer in the world. The using life is 5 times than ordinary, and with ZIQI unique connection technology, 100% non-leakage. Okay, here is oil air vessel. The size is bigger than ordinary to good efficiency to separate the compressed air and the oil. You can see here is the you can check the oil level through here, and here is pressure gauge. Is equip the safety valve to make sure the here is a mini pressure valve, and you can see here is the frequency in water. It can make sure the air compressor compress air, produce air through the air consumption equipment to realize the energy saving. You can see here is the intelligent control to make sure the air compressor working with variable speed driving. Here is the intelligent controller to make sure to control whole air compressor machine.